Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and look at this incredibly beautiful cactus I found growing here on a Canary Island date palm. I'm here on the beach of Santa Margherita Ligure, place in northern Italy. Quite a fancy tourist town. And yeah, I've seen cacti growing on palms before, but nothing like this. They have a lot of palms here, but this is the only one I'm seeing this. And it's flowering profusely. I'm not even sure. I think it's all one species. Well, what is it? It is something quite similar to a dragon fruit, to a pitaya, but it's not a pitaya. Never seen pitayas with such blood red flowers, but it's something related. So this is the first question. What is it? If you can answer this, let me try and zoom it in. All those things have edible fruits. Some are tastier, some are less tasty, but most are totally worth foraging. No fruits now, but dozens and dozens of flowers. Yeah, this is some sort of rainforest cactus that is supposed to grow as an epiphyte, and in this pretty moist part of the Ligurian coastline it grows quite well. You can see that there are a lot of other plants like grasses and Boston fern and conitza and what was this, and cymbalaria, and also some asparagus fern, which is not a fern but an asparagus growing on that tree. Oh, and there are also forageable fruits up there. See the black nightshade with lots and lots of ripe berries. So those palms, they provide quite good substrate. And here also Polypodium vulgare, a different fern. So those palms provide quite good substrate for epiphytes, and apparently the climate here is moist enough so that a lot of epiphytes can grow there. Yeah, so what is this cactus? Second question, how did it get there? That's a good question. There are basically two possibilities. Either somebody planted it there, probably when the palm was young. However, this is the only palm where there is one. I see a lot of other palms there, different species, even cycas over there, and they don't have such beautiful epiphytes. If somebody planted it, why didn't they plant more? The second possibility is even more intriguing, that a bird brought the seed here and dropped it in the palm. Must have happened decades ago because they grow all around the palm. However, if a bird dropped this, there is the second question. Where did the seed come from? Where did the fruit grow? There must be somewhere in this town, or there must have been at least, another plant, much older and producing fruits. And if a bird ate the fruit and dropped the seeds here, that means that this one could also theoretically produce fruits. Cannot see any sign of pollinated flowers. There are a lot of flowers, also not a single flower on the ground. It seems like it's right in the beginning to the middle of flowering phase. I see a couple old flowers, especially down here, the pink ones, which are more which have contracted again, but I see even more buds. So no fruits. I'm not sure if this thing can self-pollinate or can pollinate with some other cactus nearby. Tell me folks, what do you think? Can this cactus produce edible fruits around here? Can I maybe forage some somewhere? Yeah? Please basically solve those mysteries for me. Apart from that, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful and incredibly fruit rich, however not in this season it seems, Italian Riviera. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.